When I want to talk about this center, Marsa Open Center is who give us a government, but a government he give us without control. Who live in this Marsa, who make crime, who make not crime, a government without control. And a government say together all African people is bad. It is not true. In this open center, a lot of people they live, including without Malta residence card. Allora, thing like this, a problem, a government he bring it, and have to make solution a government. But a government is not stand by to make solution for immigrant. But it is true. There is African people good and there is African people bad. I want everybody under rule, control, not overrule.